think I made the first HVAC cooled MacBook Pro. So it's up on aluminum tubing, and then it's got a plastic bag tied around it, suction to a vacuum, which is supposed to pull hot air out of the computer, but I put it backwards so that it sucks cold air. Alright. 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Fahrenheit. And then got a laptop fan under here. Put the cold air right there. And fuck. You get the point. It's a goddamn HVAC cooled MacBook Pro. I just need to find a way to mount it so it, I mean, I guess a quick fix would just be literally pick up the MacBook and rest it under. But now it sounds like it's breaking, so probably won't do that. But yeah, I don't know, maybe just smush it up against the box fan. There we go. And then for extra cooling power, just volume. Fuck it.